Hello, welcome to this video. I have in this project I have created a API for the hospital. So let's first see the demo of my project, and after that I will explain the code. So for making the API call, I have used this extension called REST client. So first the first request we made is for a registration of doctor. So this is the route, and I will pass this in the request body so that new doctor is will get registered with this credential. So let's make the request. So here it will say that sign up successfully, means we registered the doctor, and here it will give me the doctor ID. So the so the next request is this login for doctors. So this route will log in the check the all credential and give me the token. So that token due because of that token, uh, this this doctor will get verify every time we make the request. So let's send the request. So this said that signing successfully, and here is our token. So I copy this. We will copy this token, and the next time we make a request, I will pass that token in the request header. So here in the request header, in the authorization barrier, so I will paste this, and also in all the requests I will paste this. All the requests which are which we can't access without authentication. So all that request will need that token, otherwise it will say unauthorized. So I have to paste that token in all the request header. So let me do this. So I have done the copy pasting the token in the request header. So the next request is after the doctor's login, doctor can register a new patient. So if I send this request, this will register the new patient with this credential, and it will give me a patient ID. So if I send request, it will say that this is the patient ID. Okay. After that, after the registration, we can create the report of that patient. So for that we have to need the ID of a patient. The ID of a patient will pass. We will pass the ID of a patient in the request params. So for creating it, so I have to copy paste that, and this is the request body. In the request body, we we put the status negative. So send request, it will say that new report is created, and for getting all the reports of a patient, this route will get all the reports of a patient. So I have to require that patient ID. So I have copy this ID, and I have to paste in the URL, and if I send the request, this will fetch me all the reports of this patient of this. And here is the we have created only one report with the status negative, so it will show me that report. And if and this route the and this route what does it does that all the reports which have a status negative, it will give me uh, uh, it will give me that reports only. So if I send the request, so ideally it will give have created only one report which have a status negative. So here it is. If I change the status like like here it is, copy paste, and here if I paste it, it will say me that couldn't find any reports with this status. If I send request, it will say me that could not find the report. And if I edit this token, then this will say me unauthorized, because uh, if I edit this token, it will say me unauthorized. So this is the demo of my project. So first, uh, let's see the model. So I have created three models. First one is for doctor, which have a three fields: email, password, and name. Second is for patients. Patient have a phone number, name, and I have also included the array of reports that a particular patient have. One patient can have a multiple reports. And third one, I have created a report here in this model. This model have a three field. First is created, which doctor is created this report, what is the status of the report, and date of creation of report, and the patient. So this is the model. And for JWT, I have used the passport library, passport JWT strategy. What does it? This will basically verify the JWT token which we have created on the login route. So let's see the login route for the doctors. This is the registration. Yeah, here it is, the login controller for doctors. Here I have first find the doctor. So all the credential will be in the request body. So first I will find that is there any doctor exist with that email. If if the if a doctor exists with that email, I am simply sending that invalid username and password. That is, this email is already exist. And if a doctor is exist, then only we can log in our application. So, and also if doctor password and the request body dot password are equal, then I am creating a JWT signature, JWT token, and I am sending that token in the response. And after after we make any request, we send that token in the request body, and passport JWT strategy will verify that token and put the user in the request user. So that is the project I have created.